Hi, my name is Anand. I'm making this video to just introduce myself. Again, my name is Anand and I'm 22 years old. I come from a place called Vadakanjeri, which is in Kerala, India, and I just want to share some thoughts and stories to this world, hopefully through video games. I also want to share some things that I've learned on various aspects of game development and also painting artworks and storytelling in general. So I spend too much time with myself and I've built up mountains of thoughts inside my head and I just want to let it out. And I'm slowly trying to convey my thoughts and ideas to this world, and I'm trying to stand up for myself and face my fears. And I believe making this channel would be an important step. So I like video games, I like listening to stories, I like sleeping, I like doing things, I also like not doing things, and I like learning new stuff. When I was young, I played this game called Hercules Pixel Action Game or something along those lines. And I noticed whenever the player hits X on the keyboard, Hercules would just draw out his sword and then slash the thin air in front of him. And that just blew my mind into pieces. And I've been wanting to, do the same thing. I wanted to use video games as a medium to just share thoughts that come up in my mind. So for the past 4 years, I've been learning quite a lot on game dev, mostly on my own, from sources like YouTube and Udemy. I have made over 20 or more video games. I haven't commercially released any of them, but I thought I should point that out. And I have been dealing with a lot of personal challenges since then, and I thought making this channel would be a great way to deal with it. So I'll be honest, I am not only making this channel for it to be a platform for you to learn game development, but also as a platform for me to reflect on my personal growth. So I've learned quite a bit on Unity 3D, which is a game engine. I've also learned a bit on Blender, which is a 3D graphic software. I've also known quite a bit on GIMP and Krita, which are kind of image editors, even though Krita is mostly used for painting purposes. But we'll see what the future holds. I'll try to stick mostly to free or open source software. So I haven't thought of a schedule yet. I started overthinking on this and I started researching on other established YouTubers. I ended up delaying myself for more than 2 months. I may stick to uploading one video per week, but I don't know if I'm sure. I just want to make this place a comfortable one first. So yeah, check out my channel, and if you like my content, consider subscribing. But if you don't like my content, please do highlight me in the comments below so that I can take necessary actions upon improving myself. So yeah, that's it. Take care. Goodbye. See ya. Ta-da.